Today I have something that's gonna change your life and your car forever, coming right up. Welcome to another fantastic episode with your main man, Relly Rails. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm about to make your life extremely easier today with this one secret. Now, before we get started today, please go down below and do me a solid, aka solid, and hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so I can keep you up to date on all new videos coming out. Now, we all love it when we get those videos that give us those tips and tricks that make life so much easier, right? I mean, that's why we come to YouTube for all the tips and the tricks and the secrets. So today, I'm gonna give you one that I've been holding on to for quite a while now. So I'm gonna show you how to remove those pesky bugs and that tar from the front of your car for less than $10. That's right, you won't spend no more than 10 bucks on this solution to remove those bugs that you hate and I hate and we all hate so much from your car. Now, I've been dealing with this issue for as long as I can remember. I mean, from ever since I could remember having my first car, always outside, you always took care of your first car. I mean, that was like your first baby. But always wash, wax. But I would always still see like the little residue from those bugs. Now, especially on black cars, that was the worst. Now, I've had a couple black cars and it seemed like as soon as I wash it, on my way home from the car wash, I would get bugs on my car. And I'm like, come on, I just got this amazing job on my car. I did this amazing job on my car, and now I got these bugs on there. Now, I've been told that maybe you need to ceramic coat your car and you don't have to worry about it. Yeah, I could do that, but do I want to spend the money on ceramic coating my car? Not at the moment, I don't. Maybe later on down the road. And everyone can't afford to ceramic coat their car. So this $10 tip right here is definitely gonna get you in there and you don't have to worry about, not being able to get those bugs, those pesky bugs up off your car after you do a good cleaning to it. Now, without further ado, here's the tip, the secret, the trick to removing all those pesky bugs from the front of your car. McGuire's Quick Spray Wax. Now, I'm gonna show you how to use this application and how to get those bugs off of your car. Now, I'm sure that you've all seen this in your local auto parts store or in Target or Walmart. You're probably really paid to no mind. Just want to make sure you get a good look at what it is. Like I said, McGuire's Quick Wax comes in a spray bottle. It's amazing. But your main man, Relly Rails, got you. I'm going to show you how to apply this the correct way to get all of the bugs off of the front of your car so it'll be looking nice, clean, and mean. Now, first, what you want to do is you want to take a simple microfiber cloth, something like this right here. You want to take that. You just want to go across, just go across lightly to get any kind of dust or whatever that might be on there. Get any kind of dust off. And what you're going to do with the McGuire's, you're going to go left to right or right to left over the area. Now, this specific area right here is, I'm going to work on this specific area right here. There are actually two bug. You can see, yeah, those two bug spots. And then we got like these spots over here too I could work on. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna work on that spot right there because that's a bigger bug. So I'm gonna work on that. So you're gonna go left to right 3 times. And you're gonna let that sit for about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna come back after it's been 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and it's you see how it clouded up and stuff like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that rag and you're gonna blot. You're gonna blot because that's gonna push the actual stuff that's inside the stuff that's inside the McGuire's wax into the actual bug stuff that's on your car. Now, after you do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray lightly on your rag. You can take your rag, you're gonna spray, hit it real lightly, just with 2 fingers on there, and you're gonna go circular motion. I'm not even pushing on it hard. I mean, not at all. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get another bug that's like that. I'm like light. You could do it with 1 finger light. And then you're gonna go to the dry spot on your towel and just go from left to right, left to right, left to right. And magically, you don't see it anymore. Look how glassy that look. Look at that. Bugs is gone. The bugs are gone. Can you believe it? And you know what? Just so if you might think I'm shooting you one, I'm gonna do it again, right? And the key is letting it sit for those 2 minutes because it lets it soak and then you dab it. So those 2 spots right there, I already have sprayed some on there, but I'm gonna do it again, let it sit for 2, and I'll be right back. So now it's been 2 minutes and you can see those spots they're still there. There's 1, there's 2. So now I'm gonna do what I did on the last one. I'm gonna just blot it to make sure it gets in there. And now I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna spray one more time, but it didn't get like it needed. Now I'm gonna go with the 2 fingers on the rag, a little bit. And I'm just going in a circular motion. Not hard at all, just, I mean, light, just real light. Light as that could be. I mean, and I'm talking about, it takes tar off too. Like anything that's on that front bumper is coming up off of there. And like, you see how light I'm going. Don't even have to use elbow grease or nothing. And look at this. Those spots are gone. Look at that glassy. I mean, glass look. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Meguiar's Spray Quick Wax. You know what I mean? This is what you need. Get all of the bugs off. They don't even talk about that. They just talk about it having a gloss and shine. Granted, it gives you amazing gloss and shine, but it gets those bugs off. Gets those bugs off. I mean, and I mean the front of my car is like it's getting a little dark here, but it's shining right now. So definitely shout out to Meguiar's Quick Wax, Spray Wax. So definitely check it out, get you some. So as I showed you, it didn't take long at all. All I did was sprayed it on, waited those 2 minutes each time for each situation that I took care of. Then I blotted it and it was done. I mean, it didn't take long at all. It maybe took me, what, 10 minutes? And now the front bumper of my car is like glass. You saw it. So that is the tip that I have for you today. That is the trick I have for you today. That was the secret. So go ahead and get the front bumper of your car looking good with that Meguiar's Quick Wax. And I definitely appreciate y'all for stopping by again, checking out the channel. Like I said, if you haven't before, hit the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell that makes that sound. And I will definitely appreciate it. And I will definitely be giving you consistent content all week. Is at least 3 days a week. I'm shooting for 5 if I can, you know, because I know you guys deserve it. And I want to give you everything that you ask for. So if you have car ideas or things that you would like to see done, or any car ideas that you want to know about, definitely hit me up. And if I can't figure it out, I'm gonna make sure that I get you to the person that can, because I don't mind sharing the love here on YouTube. You know, we don't know everything, but you know what I mean? We know where to go to get answers from. So once again, like I said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Shout out to Solid Brand Apparel for sponsoring my channel. And I appreciate everything they've done for me, laced me with the clothes that I needed to look super dope and fresh on camera for you guys. So I'll have their link in the description below. So if you need anything from them, go check them out. Once again, I appreciate it. It's all love, all 100. It's your boy Rel.